everyone, and welcome back to Godshalls Test Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some maple bacon caramel popcorn. To make our popcorn, you're going to need some corn kernels, some vanilla, some baking soda, salt, butter, brown sugar, corn syrup, oil, and of course, Godshalls maple turkey bacon. Our first step is popping our popcorn. We're going to heat up our pan, put in our oil, and toss in your kernels. You're going to keep this moving to coat all the kernels in the oil, and then as the steam starts to build up, they're going to pop. Now let's cook our bacon. The first step for our caramel of our caramel popcorn is going to be setting up our sauce. We're going to put our butter and our salt in, our brown sugar, and our corn syrup. So we're going to stir until it comes to a nice boil. Then we're going to stop stirring and let it boil for 5 minutes on its own, just a slow, steady boil. Now we're going to add our baking soda and our vanilla. We're going to turn off the heat, stir it all in, and pour this over top of our popcorn. We've covered our popcorn and our caramel. We're going to throw it in a 250-degree oven for an hour, and we're going to stir it every 15 minutes. Our popcorn is ready. We're on our fourth turn. We're going to add our turkey bacon and just toss it up. And that's our maple bacon caramel corn.